Exclusively from NEX, the Blizzard Blast roller coaster building set. This set comes with 561 parts to build a 3-foot tall coaster with chilling vertical drop. The Blizzard Blast roller coaster building set includes a motorized chain lift, coaster car, and over 16 feet of track. Follow the included, color-coded instructions to build the model. Then log on to NEX.com to get instructions for a second coaster model, Blizzard Runner. And remember, all NEX rods and connectors are made in the USA. Building worlds kids love with the Blizzard Blast roller coaster building set from NEX. Each model shown can be built one at a time. Motor requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included.